Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about Python course that we will launched from 1st of April 2022 guys. And one very important thing for you all guys, there is 75% off till 31st of March 2020. So if any of you are interested for joining this course guys, please message us as soon as possible. So let's discuss guys complete information है ना, what things we will provide for you and what are the things in there in that course guys. So let's discuss guys one by one all the things. Okay, so first of all guys, we just discount na, as I told na, 75% off till 31st of March 2022. Okay guys, so let's move to next. So yeah, so first of all we will discuss what things we will provided you. So basically guys, the live classes है ना, we will provide you the live classes on Google Meet only guys. So I hope you all know about Google Meet, right? The next thing is guys, daily you will got a class recording as well है ना, every lecture है ना, you will got a class recording. The next thing is guys, certificate after completion, right? You will got a certificate of this course है ना, after completion. Okay, the next thing is guys, coding practice for campus. That is a very important point guys, you know. The main focus for this course is guys to teach you the Python for your campus like TCS, WIPRO, right, Mindtree, etc. Coding practice for campus guys, that is very important for this course guys. And after learning Python guys, we will do daily practice for daily practice, and we will do daily practice, and a few days we will do practice, and again I am telling. The next thing is guys, doubt session every week if need. Means guys, if you want your we have a doubt in this week classes, so we will arrange one doubt session for you all as well, in this course only guys, है ना. तो ये सारी चीज़ें प्रोवाइड करने वाले हैं हम लोग, राइट. एंड क्लासेस इन गाइज हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश इन बोथ लैंग्वेज, सो नो वरीज. ओके, so many of you are have a one question, why paid class? So let me discuss guys with you. The first benefit of paid class is guys time saving. Time saving means guys, in a free of cost, or if you search a material on Google, YouTube, then guys you confused a lot कि किससे पढ़ें, है ना. And guys, there is no proper way in a free of cost learning guys. So in the paid class guys, you also learn in proper way, what things you need to learn first, then second, then third, like that. Okay, the next benefit is guys, learning in easy way. Means guys, if you take a paid class, then guys learning in easy way means guys, you just learn in very easy way. You can clear doubt in a live class as well, है. The last point but not a least, that is all doubt and query clear at a time. Means guys, whatever you have doubt guys, you just clear at that time only when teacher is said, when teacher is teaching you any topic, then you just simply ask at that time, sir, I have a doubt and query, I not understand, right. But in a free of cost or in a online or in a different classes guys, you can't do this thing. Your doubt is not cleared guys, है ना. डाउट क्लियर नहीं होता है, वो डाउट फिर डाउट ही बना रहता रहेगा. बट इन द ऑनलाइन क्लास गाइज, यू हैव अ sorry, in a paid class, right, in a paid class guys, you have a opportunity to clear your doubts and query at a time guys. At a time means तुरंत आपके डाउट क्लियर हो जाते हैं पेड क्लासेस में. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते गाइस. सो बेसिकली द क्लास ड्यूरेशन इज गाइज 1 hour प्लस, है ना, 1 hour प्लस क्लास ड्यूरेशन होने वाला है. एंड डेली क्लासेस आर देयर फ्रॉम मंडे टू सैटरडे गाइज, एंड 1 month अप्रोक्स द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ दिस कोर्स इज गाइज 1 month अप्रोक्स. कम से कम 1 month तो होने वाला है, एंड मे बी इट विल 1.2 month, 1.5 month, no worries. Okay, minimum 1 month is done. The next thing is guys, classes is from Monday to Saturday. Okay, and the next thing is guys, started from 1st of April 2022, as I told in very starting of this video guys, right. So classes start from 1st of April. So the next thing is guys, 70% off till 31st of March 2022. So grab this opportunity as soon as possible guys. Okay, this is very good opportunity for you guys, those who want to learn Python, or those who are just thinking to learn Python and all. Okay, please join this course guys. This course is very beneficial for you, and we are starting this course from guys basic, from basic guys, we are starting this course from very basic to guys your campus level. Why campus level? Because guys, after completing Python guys, after completing Python, we will also discuss the campus course guys, campus course. No one provide this thing guys, that's why I am just starting this course, And campus codes in a sense guys है ना, whatever previous year questions that is asked in WIPRO, TCS, Tech Mahindra and Accenture है ना, n number of companies are there guys. So we will discuss that question in this batch as well, in this course as well guys. Okay, so we will discuss with Python only है ना, so no worries है ना, this course is very beneficial, just try once है ना. The next thing is guys, and it is very important for you is the fees. रुको, just wait guys, wait है ना. The fees, original fees is guys 3,999, but guys 75% off, as I told है ना, so minus 3,000, you need to pay only 999 guys. That is very great, I think so, right? 999 only you need to pay for this course guys. In this course we are also teaching Python plus है ना, I am again and again telling Python plus guys कंपनी प्रैक्टिस है ना, कंपनी कोड प्रैक्टिस और प्रोग्रामिंग प्रैक्टिस दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग गाइस. व्हाई इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज गाइस है ना, यू कैन लर्न पाइथन फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, बट गाइस यू कांट प्रैक्टिस है ना, यू कांट प्रैक्टिस है ना, राइट? यू डोंट नो है ना हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट लॉजिक, हाउ टू मेक अ कोड, हाउ यू कैन अप्रोच द क्वेश्चन है ना, how you can make a code and what are the logics and all है ना. We will discuss each and everything in this course guys. Okay, so total 90, sorry, 999 is the price guys है ना, only 999 is the price for this course guys, we just think. Okay, and but guys this price is till 31st of March 2022. If you enroll in this course before 31st March, that is very good for you guys, but after 31st March guys, we can't say कि we are providing 75% off or not guys, we can't say. So join this course guys before 31st of March guys, that is very benefit. And guys just join this course from 1st April first class guys है ना. Why? Because first अगर हम फर्स्ट क्लास से अगर ज्वाइन करेंगे दैट इज वेरी गुड है ना, क्योंकि फर्स्ट क्लास से ही हमारा पूरा बेस क्लियर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर एक क्लास छूट जाती है गाइस तो फिर आगे चल के फिर मजा नहीं आता कोर्स में, right? But guys we also providing the recording of the class, so you can prefer that as well if you late. But guys my suggestion is you, for you guys to join this course before 31st March, because in this course guys we are just providing a lot of things, right, at a price of this, है ना. इस प्राइस का गाइस अगर आपको इस प्राइस में मिल रहा है, so that is very great for you है ना. एंड दिस इज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर लर्निंग कोडिंग है ना फ्रॉम बेसिक, एंड दोज हु आर फ्रॉम नॉन CSIT स्टूडेंट्स और फ्रॉम CSIT स्टूडेंट्स, both can join this course guys. And for non CSIT students, that's why we are studying this course from guys basic है ना. we will discuss from hello world to guys, hello world to guys campus program questions है ना. we will discuss Wipro, Accenture, TCS है ना. I am again and again telling, we will discuss MNC's questions as well, MS's question as well. Okay, so core Python we will teach है ना, as I told I think है ना. So it's all about today's video guys. I hope you are very what I say, you are very excited to join this course है ना. if any of you want to join this course guys, please enroll as soon as possible guys, and the number shown in a screen guys, and I will share the link in the description है ना for booking your seat है ना. I will give link in the description. Okay, सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो गाइस. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा फ्रेंड्स. प्लीज शेयर दिस कोर्स, दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग 75% ऑफ गाइस, दैट इज वेरी big discount I think, right? So 75% off till 31st of March guys 2022. So please enroll in this course guys as soon as possible. Okay, and share this course guys. And one more thing guys, we will provide you है ना some refer benefit as well. Okay, refer benefit guys, I just think right now अभी हाल ही कुछ लगा कि like we need to provide something for those who refer our course, so we will provide guys refer benefits as well है ना. we will provide refer benefits as well for guys है ना. if you refer this course to anyone है ना, then you can ask me, sir, I referred this course with that one person है ना. so we will provide you something है ना, refer bonus you can say. Okay, or refer discount. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. Let's meet on the next video. And guys वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा guys अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, those who need to learn Python guys. Okay, so Let's meet on next video guys. Okay, take care, bye bye, good night guys. Okay.